hippity hop little bunnies, it is time for another 2-Minute Tuesday. I am going to take you to a magical coconut shack, and stay tuned to the end of this video for info on next week's 2-Minute Tuesday. Isn't that awesome? I love it. They extract coconut milk and grind coconut for sale in Kampung Baru. And I rarely take the LRT just because I really like the convenience of Grab, but it's always so much fun. And my biggest tip if you're here on holiday, stand at the very front because it's glass and fabulous. So for next week's video, I was thinking either a cemetery tour in Bangsar or a in-depth look at a tandoori oven at an Indian restaurant here in Kuala Lumpur. So leave a note in the comments down below. Let me know if either of those sound good, or feel free to make recommendations for next week's 2-Minute Tuesday. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to catch the full 10-minute Kampung Baru Tour along with my Alila review in about 10 days. Okay, little bunnies, hippity hop. I will see you next time. Ciao!